coffee steam and your sleepy grin. Bare feet on a cool, tired kitchen. You laugh and my day begins. We got a sunrise on our street, even when the rain keeps falling. Every little worry at our feet fades when I hear you calling. Hold me close, let the daylight speak to every part that's broken. We got a sunrise on our street every time our eyes stay open. Bus stop, kids chasing the shadows. Old man waving from his chair. You squeeze on my arm, say slow down. Right there, I remember what we shared. We got a sunrise on our street, even when the rain keeps falling. Every little worry at our feet fades when I hear you calling. Hold me close, let the daylight speak to every part that's broken. We got a sunrise on our street every time our eyes stay open. Maybe we don't have much, but this little house keeps singing. Every door, every wall, every touch feels like Sunday morning living. We got a sunrise on our street,